Hello friends, welcome back to Infinky Infopedia. Today, we've got some exciting news from the tech world. Feast your eyes on the all-new Pixel Fold 2, a device set to shake things up with its fresh features and upgraded specs. According to a recent report from Android Authority, the Pixel Fold 2 is making a bold move by opting for the latest Tensor 4 chipset from Google, skipping the Tensor 3 found in the Pixel 8 series. This decision is expected to elevate the device's performance to new heights. It's an interesting move from Google, but that's not all. Hold on to your seats because the Pixel Fold 2 is also packing some serious memory power. With a whopping 16GB of DDR5 RAM and faster storage thanks to UFS 4. Now, when can we expect to get our hands on this beauty? Well, rumors suggest that the Pixel Fold 2 will debut alongside the Pixel 9, marking a strategic move by Google to unveil their flagship devices together. Android Authority has provided us with a sneak peek at the Pixel Fold 2's design, showcasing a sleeker camera module and a more refined form factor. The report says that it's very similar to the OnePlus Open. The report also states that it's going to feature an aluminum frame along with a more curved inner and outer display. Overall, it looks like there's going to be some big changes coming this year. Now, for those who eagerly anticipate the release of the Pixel Fold 2, we'll delve into its complete specifications, design details, and anticipated pricing, assisting you in determining whether it's worth the anticipation. With the Pixel Fold 2, we're expecting something around a 6.5-inch cover display. It's going to be a 120Hz OLED display protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The peak brightness is unknown at the moment, but we're expecting something around 2000 nits. We're also expecting an internal display size thanks to the new form factor. We're going to get a 7.9-inch, 120Hz foldable OLED with a peak brightness of around 2000 nits. We will get to selfie cameras on the Pixel Fold 2. We've got one on a cover display and then one on the inside display. We're hoping to see an upgrade to a 10.5-megapixel selfie camera for the cover display, and a few rumors are floating around of an under-display camera on the inside. In terms of the rear camera setup, we anticipate a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera to serve as the main shooter, featuring functionalities such as multi-zone laser autofocus, dual-pixel phase detect autofocus, and optical stabilization. For the ultra-wide camera, we predict a 48-megapixel sensor with dual-pixel phase detect autofocus. Additionally, our expectations for the telephoto lens include a 48-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization and a 5x optical zoom capability. There's a fourth sensor included. Although its specific function remains unknown, it's speculated to be either a time-of-flight sensor or a temperature sensor. It will be powered by Google's new Tensor G4 chipset, which, while not matching the raw CPU performance of the latest Snapdragon chipset, still offers capable performance, particularly in terms of AI processing. We get 16GB of DDR5 RAM, along with a choice of 256, 512, or even 1TB of storage, and this will be UFS 4. When it comes to the battery, we are estimating something around 5000 mAh battery. While fast charging is still currently unknown, it will support wired and wireless charging. We will get 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, ultra-wideband, and Wi-Fi 7, and it's going to be shipping with the latest version of Android 15. It's expected to launch around $1,800, and it's likely going to be delayed this year to launch alongside the Pixel 9 series in October. Overall, the new Pixel Fold 2 is looking very different from its predecessor. We've got a new design with a new form factor for better optimization organizations, along with plenty of upgrades in hardware to match. We're still a long way away from launch, but as we know, Google is not very good at keeping anything a secret. So, that's the lowdown on the Pixel Fold 2. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.